সাধারণ নির্দেশিকা কোভিড-19 অতিমারির আবহে বিদ্যালয়ে স্বাভাবিক পঠন পাঠন ব্যাহত হয়েছে। সেই জন্য পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকার শিক্ষাটা অব্যাহত রাখার উদ্দেশ্যে মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্কের সূত্রপাত করেছেন। এখন মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্কগুলো থেকে বাছাই করে বিভিন্ন শ্রেণীর জন্য নির্দিষ্ট মানের একটা প্রশ্নপত্র তৈরি করা হয়েছে। তো এখন ক্লাস 5-এর ইংরাজি, English class 5, full marks 40. Read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. At 11:30 am, Hillary and Norgay reached the summit of Mount Everest. Hillary reached out to shake Norgay's hand, but Norgay gave him a hug in return. The two men enjoyed only 15 minutes at the top of the world because of their low oxygen supply. They spent their time taking photographs and enjoying the view. A. Complete the following sentence with information from the passage. Hillary and Norgay reached the summit of Mount Everest at 11:30 am. Hillary wanted to shake hands, but Norgay gave him a hug in return. They stayed at the summit briefly because of their low oxygen supply. They spent their time in taking photographs and enjoying the view. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What did Hillary do after reaching the summit? After reaching the summit, Hillary extended his hand to shake hands with Norgay. How long did Hillary and Norgay remain at the summit? Hillary and Norgay remained at the summit only for 15 minutes. There was quite a number of good teachers in our school. B.D. Roy taught us English. He was a small man who took great care to ensure that we pronounced English correctly. One day, he told us the story of the ox and the frog from Aesop's Fables. Before telling us the story, he taught us how the pronunciation of the depends on whether the following word begins with a vowel or a consonant. I fondly remember our head Pandit, Bhattacharya sir, for his excellent handwriting. Take the correct answer from the given alternatives. 1. Mr. B.D. Roy was the teacher of mathematics, English, Bengali, and science. Right answer, English. The author learned correct pronunciation from his headmaster, father, English teacher, mother. Correct answer, English teacher. The ox and the frog is a tale from Panchatantra, Hitopodes, Jataka, and Aesop's Fables. The correct answer, Aesop's Fables. Classify the common nouns and proper nouns in the following table. Norgay and Hillary were the first men to climb Mount Everest. The river Hooghly is close to my house. The horse is a useful animal. We live in West Bengal. Norgay and Hillary were the first men to climb Mount Everest. Common noun men and proper noun Norgay, Hillary, and Mount Everest. The river Hooghly is close to my house. River, common noun, and the river Hooghly, proper noun. The horse is a useful animal. And house, common noun, and horse, common noun, and useful animal, common noun, and West Bengal, proper noun. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. The boy, Draw a picture. The boy is drawing a picture. They just play in the field. They are playing in the field. Fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate preposition from the list given below. List over, on, in, to. He is going to Kolkata. The bird flew over my head. Fishes live in water. Put the pen on the table. Fill in the table with appropriate short forms of the following words: cannot, I am; did not, you have; cannot, can't; I am; did not, didn't; you have, you. Write the opposite of the following words: light, heavy; easy, hard; tough, uneasy, difficult; never, always; curly, straight. Write 5 sentences on my school. My school has a very beautiful building. I love my school because it is one of the best schools in our district. The classrooms in my school are big and airy. All of the teachers of my school are very kind and cooperative. Many curricular and extracurricular activities are organized in my school.